Hello.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Robert, isn't it?
Yes, it is, doctor.
How
Uh,
have you been feeling? Your diagnosis was shingles, yes?
yes, yeah, it was shingles. What,
Okay, and
what,
what seems to be the problem?
yeah, it is pain. It's not going away. So I was just, I didn't know what should I do with it. Um, it keeps
Uh,
hurting, above my right eye where
okay.
I had the rash. It keeps hurting me.
Well, I really understand your frustration. This is the nerve pain due to the shingles, and this is the nature of this disease. Uh,
Oh, I
and
see.
it continue for several years, unfortunately, and
Okay.
comes and goes. Okay,
Oh,
is that all right?
several years. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. So what can I do about this?
Uh, there are few things we can do. We at the first time at the first we can use simple painkillers like paracetamol or codeine. Uh,
Really?
yes, and in addition to we can apply a capsaicin cream. This is effective for this pain. Is that all
Okay.
right? Yes.
Uh, so I don't want to touch it. Is actually it's so uncomfortable. But the simple painkillers, do they work? This pain is so bad.
Uh, uh, yes, I agree with you, but at the first line, it's better to use simple painkillers. Maybe it's effective for you, but if it doesn't, it didn't work, then we can use another medication like anti-epileptic drugs called pregabalin or gabapentin. Is that all
Uh,
right?
Anti-epileptic. Oh, I don't have epilepsy, doctor.
Yes, I know, but this drug can work for this problem. Uh, is that all right?
Okay, so that
Yeah.
is the drug for epilepsy works for this. Oh,
Yes.
strange.
Each drug can works different for different condition.
Okay.
And pregabalin or gabapentin can be effective for this pain.
Okay.
And this pain comes and goes. Is that all right?
Yeah, doctor, but so
Hmm.
why don't we just have a surgery and just remove the skin from this part of my head?
Okay, that's a good idea, but it's not recommended to any surgery because the surgery has many side effects, and it's not necessary for this disease. This disease can this side effect can for shingles can be controlled with medication. All Also we can use any other non-pharmaceutical for non-medical
Hmm.
approach like any exercise or meditation
Oh, would that
or
work? Okay.
yes, can be help for you, and also I can refer you to a chronic pain clinic, and they can further management. They can manage uh, for this type of pain. Is that all
Okay.
right?
Yes, doctor. Yes. Right. So, okay, that's fine.
Is there anything else you'd like
No,
to ask me?
that's it. Thank you. Okay.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Bye. Good. Okay. So how was that?
Mm, yes, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So, um, was there anything that you did very well?
Mm, uh, I have less hesitation, and I think it's noticeable point for me at this role play.
Okay. Good. So, um, apart from less hesitation, I mean, in what part of the consultation did you do well? The best thing, I mean, from a structure, rapport, information gathering, exploring eyes, information giving.
Uh, uh, this role play wants to information giving. Lots of tasks are about information giving,
Hmm.
and I think I could good approach for this.
Good. Okay, but what I'm saying is, so do you think you did information giving very well?
Yes, and
Yeah.
rapport, and all of them is good. All of them are good, I think.
Okay. Did you do any information gathering?
Mm, uh, about, for example, how long have you had it? You or
Mm,
yes,
any
yes,
question at all?
yes. This is my fault. Yes,
Okay. Right. Now, what we need to remember is that when they give us a task, in fact, they give us the information giving part. Okay. But the rest of the task should be done by ourselves. Okay.
yes,
Now, do you remember this patient comes in? Uh, then what happens? Doctor asks questions uh, to find and explore the agenda. Remember that? What is the second
yeah,
part? Doctor makes a decision about the agenda, and doctor responds to the agenda. Okay. So we said that we have three parts in the consultation, and in this first part, you ask questions to find and explore the agenda, and then you make a decision. Because this is not a medical examination, they actually this information is given to you, given already. Okay, and how you need to respond to that is given already. Okay, because they don't want you to make a clinical decision. Okay,
yes,
so this is the part which is given to you, but then uh, this is the part which is not given to you and you're supposed to do, and that is what we say, um, the structure, rapport, information gathering, and exploring eyes. Okay.
yes.
Right. So if you only do this task, what do you think would be your score? اگه فقط تسک رو انجام بدیم به نظر شما چند نمره میگیرین؟
Yes. be honest I don't know.
چه
قانونا نمیدونم مثلا به چه صورت. نه. یعنی
چرا نمیدونیم؟ اوکی، اگه خاطرتون باشه ما یه سری لینگویستیک
بعد اونا
کرایتریا
رو
داشته.
ولی حساب کتابشو نمیدونم منظورم.
آها، خب الان حساب کتابش بهتون بگیم. کامیونیکیشن کرایتریا. اوکی اوکی، لینگویستیک کرایتریا 300 نمره داره. اوکی، کامیونیکیشن کرایتریا 200 نمره داره. اوکی، لینگویستیک کرایتریا حالا کار نداریم، ولی کامیونیکیشن کرایتریا چند تاست؟ 5 تاست، درسته؟ راپو دیگه
information gathering,
اوکی.
structure, explore eyes,
explore eyes
information giving.
اوکی، تموم شد دیگه ها.
yes.
هر کدوم چند نمره؟
40 نمره میشه.
اوکی، خب پس الان چند تا میگیریم اگه ما اینو انجام بدیم؟ این 5 تا بولت پوینتو
5 تاشو اگه انجام بدیم، این 5 تا که الان اینجا هست
بله
تو این بیشتر information giving بودش. 40 نمره.
اوکی، that's it. همین حساب کتاب میخواستم بگم بهتون دیگه. در واقع شما
راپوی بعدم برابر
80 تا میگیرید ها از 200 تا، یعنی 120 تا از دست میدید. اوکی اوکی. چیزی که منظور من اینه که درسته که اینجا به شما فقط اینو دادن، ولی نگفتن که فقط این کار رو انجام بدین. این فقط راهنماییه. این اون قسمتیه که شما قرار نیست انجام بدید، بنابراین بهتون گفتن که چی بگید. ولی اون چیزایی که به شما قرار انجام بدین که بهتون نمیگن، تو این کارت نمینویسن که این کارا رو بکنین. یکی یکی اول چی بپرس، دوم چی بپرس، سوم چی بپرس. اوکی؟
okay.
پس please pay attention that the 160 marks lies in here. Okay?
Yeah.
And this is only 40. Okay, so right. So how would you do this differently?
Information gathering.
Okay, what do you ask, or what would you ask him?
For example, how long have you had it?
Good.
And for example, apart from this pain, have you had any other symptoms?
Okay.
And you said about the pain, but
good.
Yes.
Okay, and the nature of the pain.
The nature of the pain. Yeah. Yes.
What kind of pain is it? Is it when you touch it? Is it worse or better? What have you done for it?
Yeah, or radiation of the pain.
Does it go anywhere else in your head? Okay. How bad is it from on a scale of 0 to 10? On a scale of 0 to 10, how bad is it? Okay. Yeah, on a scale of 0 to 10, how bad is it? Well, we can say it's a 6 or 7. Oh dear. Empathy. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, info gathering is important, and that is 40 marks. And then you need to show empathy. You need to say use attentive listening skills. Okay. Yeah. And basically you are making an assessment. You're asking more questions to find out, and then you ask the patient, right, so what have you done for it? And he says, well, I've just taken paracetamol. So this is not an option anymore because they've already tried it. Okay. Yeah. And that is what we say to establish your facts before you explain. Or maybe he says that, well, I've used paracetamol, I've used codeine, I've used ibuprofen. Okay, now you need to go to the next level. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so okay, what is the reason the patient is here today? The pain, and he wants to do something for the pain. Okay, that's the expectation.
Yeah.
What is he concerned about? He's concerned about his pain that doesn't go away. And what is his idea? I don't know what it is, and I don't know what I should do for this. Okay,
Yeah.
and then you respond to that. You say, well, this is post-herpetic pain. It happens after herpes, and then basically comes and goes, and it could linger. It could take a long time to go away, and what we can do is to control it or to help with managing. Okay, and
Yeah.
so that is a better structure. Okay,
Yes, of course.
uh, right. So on reflection, what do we do differently in approaching to tasks?
Uh,
برای این تسکا چه کار باید بکنیم در واقع وقتی یک کیو کارت یا رول پلی کارت بهمون میدن ما باید چه کار کنیم، چه کاری متفاوت انجام بدیم نسبت به اون که شما انجام دادین؟
I don't.
اون 160 های اولی رو باید خودمون برنامه ریزی بکنیم. اوکی، شما در واقع ببینید به شما میگن که شما میخوای به اینجا برسی. اوکی، متوجه شدین؟
Yes.
میگن شما میخوای به اینجا برسی. در واقع اینجا شما باید یه جوری برنامه ریزی کنی و نقشه ریزی بکنی که برسی به اینجا. اوکی، یعنی سوالایی که میکنی، اون استراکچری که داری، اون آیسی که از مریض در میاری قراره به کجا برسه؟ به اینجا. اوکی.
Yes.
Okay, so that's basically that's the target. That's where we're going. Okay,
Okay.
good.